Do you want to know how you can enable animations on Telegram? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the basic animations which are there on Telegram. Go ahead and open Telegram on your phone. Click onto your menu which you can see on the top left hand side and go to settings. What you need to do next is click on chat settings. Scroll a bit down and you can find the animations option. Go ahead and click on animations. You can see that it is currently turned off. To turn on the animations, you can click on this button, make it turn blue. You can see that all of the animations are now being turned on, and you can see that there is this option and you can enable it or disable it quite easily. So if you just drag it till on, and the power saving mode will always be enabled, but if you decrease it, you can see that the animations will be enabled. So all you need to do is click on these icons. So go ahead and make it turn blue and your animations will be active. So some of the animations provided by Telegram are in stickers, emoji, chats, calls, videos and GIFs. So enabling it will make your Telegram interface go smoother and more animated. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.